Hi everyone, my name is Loreanne Rodelas from BSIT2C. Today, I'll be doing a tutorial on how to set up Java Development Kit and Eclipse IDE and create my very first Java program, Hello World. Let's get started. First, let's download and install the Java Development Kit or JDK by following these steps. Open your web browser and go to the official website of Oracle JDK or search for Download JDK on Google to find the link easily. Once there, select the latest version of JDK and choose the appropriate installer for your operating system. For example, since I am using a Windows operating system, then I will click on Windows. Then I'll be choosing this installer, so I will click on the link on the right of it. Let's wait for the download to finish. After the download is complete, open the installer. Click Install Anyway. Click Yes. Follow the on-screen instructions, click Next. Set the installation directory or leave it as default and complete the installation. After the installation, we can now click Close. Now, we'll need to set up the environment variables. To set up the environment variables so that Java can run on our system, let's search for environment variables in our system's search bar. Let's click on environment variables, and under system variables, we will create new. Under the variable value, we will search or browse the directory. Then click OK. So you see, the path is not automatically registered here, so we will manually input it instead. We'll again create new variable name path and variable value slash bin. Then click OK. I will be pausing the video to restart my system. Now, let's download and install the Eclipse IDE. Again, let's open our web browser and go to the official website and click the download button. Eclipse is a popular tool for writing Java programs. We'll check the download packages and choose Eclipse IDE for Java developers. Click Download. And again, let's just wait for the download to finish. Once the download is done, let's click on the installer. Let's extract this. Click extract all. I'm okay with this, so we'll click on extract. And again, let's just wait for the extraction to finish. Now the extraction is complete, I will be creating a new desktop shortcut for easier access. Once installed, launch Eclipse and set a workspace directory. This is where your projects will be saved. Click on Launch. Now that Eclipse is ready, let's create our very first Java project and program. To begin with, click on File, then New, and click on Java Project. I will name my project using my surname and click on Finish. Then click on File again, New, and click on Class. I will name it Hello Printer. Click on this and click Finish. Now, all we have to do is remove this comment and type system.out.print ln parenthesis hello world. Now, let's click on Run. Click OK. And we're done. And that's it. We've successfully set up JDK and Eclipse IDE and created our first Java program, Hello World. I hope this tutorial is helpful. Thank you for watching.